Hi, Imran from Car Sound Security. We've just finished installing a Ghost 2 Immobiliser on this BMW X5 2010 with the latest add-on of the Ghost 2 additional tag. Let me show you how it works. Just jump in the vehicle. Okay. So traditionally, what you would have to do is put your ignition lights on and enter your code, but with the latest add-on, the Ghost tag, you don't need to do any of that. You just need to have this on you. So, and this is how it would work. You just turn your ignition lights on and the engine management light will flash twice, like so, and just start the car. So no code is required to be entered as long as you've got the Ghost tag on you. If you're interested in getting this as an add-on to your Ghost 2, if you've got one, or getting the Ghost 2 installed, give us a call on 0208 554 554. Thanks for watching.